Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to locate the ID tag on your name brand reclining furniture. Now, if you're not aware, you'll need these numbers off this tag in order to order replacement parts from the manufacturer or one of their dealers. These numbers tell them what model and style your recliner is, when it was made, and so forth, so they can get you the correct part. Now, there are three common places that these tags are located, so let's just go through them one by one. One common area to look for is what's called a hang tag, which hangs down behind the recliner when it's in the open position. Obviously, this chair does not have one. The most common place you'll find an ID tag on most recliners is fastened to the underside of the footrest like we have here. Now, there's going to be some different information on these tags, but what you're looking for specifically is the name and address of the company and the identification numbers they use for their product. This is a Lazy Boy tag here, and here are the numbers they use: ACK number, style number, and so forth. Now, the last place to look is underneath the seat box of the recliner. You'll want to look at the inside arm frames on either side, the seat frame. On this Lazy Boy, there's a wooden front frame rail, and that's where they place a second set of tags. And there's the second set of tags on this particular chair. If you have a reclining love seat or sofa and you roll it over to try to find the ID tag, another area to look if you don't see one is on the inside arm frames. And keep in mind, there won't be ID tags on every sofa or love seat section. So if you're not finding one on one recliner, look at the other end. I'm also going to provide a link to a video that walks you through this process of ordering parts with that information off the ID tag. And keep in mind, if you keep your furniture long enough, chances are you're going to need a mechanical or electrical part at some point in the future. So it's always good to know where your ID tags are, because you'll need that information. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.